Guys, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? You're all doing well. I'm going to pick up Daniela from school. He go to work today. That's why I can't even vlog. Work. Once you start work, to vlog is a problem. Because once you get back home, it's around 5. I'm very tired. Now I have to do dinner and other things. So today, I did go to work. So I'm going to pick her up. Now is the time I even remember. I've been very busy also. I have a lot of paperwork, you know. Moving to a new house, you have to change your address and everything. All your paperwork, everything. I've been on the phone. Doing change of address, one way or the other, to go change GP, everything. It's not easy, guys. They just brought in this delivery for me. Yes. Let me show it to you guys. Later we'll do the unboxing when Daniela is back. It should be very like rough. So now let me just show you what I just got. My Harry hoover. Harry hoover. We'll be unboxing this Harry hoover. That ladder there, I'm going to return it. And in here I have my what do you call it again? Air fryer. Yeah, we're gonna unbox that one also. So guys, those are the two things we'll be unboxing later on. Our hairy hoover, and at least so that we'll start hoovering our floor and our carpets. The rooms are carpeted, and then there's floor. If you've not video on the house tour, you go back and watch it. I've done loads of house tour video, empty house tour, and when I just moved in, this is like 4 weeks now that I've been in this house, so we are still unboxing. The ones I remember to show you guys, I think there are still some things in that's this storage here, and this storage here that I will still, but I don't know what I will show it to you guys also. Yeah, so this is what we unbox today though. We'll be going and I'll talk to you later. That's the bag I'll carry. This year there's no shop. So I'm going to pick Daniela from school. There's shops over there. I'll just pick little things. Alright, bye guys. See you soon. So guys, let's unbox the hoover together. This is the bags, by the way. And this is the hoover. So let's do that. Let me keep this somewhere so that I can use my hands. I need my hands, guys. Okay. I'm gonna use the scissors. Hope my address is not showing there. Oh my god. Keep on this case. Keep it. Why are you playing with that? We're going to unbox now.
Open it and see what's inside. What?
Oh my god. This one up. Leave it, Daniela, you move back please. This one is going to take me some time. Look at the nutrition. So I'm going to do it off camera. I think when it's ready, guys, I will not show it to you. Because I have a lot of things. Oh, they put just one bag for us. What? I bought a pack of extra bags. This is the extra bag pack of 10 for the people inside. Every other accessory, so these are all compartments. Leave it, Daniela. I have a lot of things to do. The hose is there, so we'll have to fix it. You see, it's loads of work. So we'll have to get it fixed. Okay, later we'll fix it together on camera. So that's for the hairy. Go and bring the other one from the corridor. Let's do that one. Go and bring the other box. Go to the corridor and bring it. So you want to help. there. Go over there. I'll bring it from there. You don't know where it is. What do you mean you don't know where the other one is? That's just the back. Alright guys, let me get the what it calls. So this is the literature and I'm gonna open it and do it. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'll do it off this and then when it's ready I'll show it to you guys. So let me also get the escape my mind now, escape 1 minute. What's this now? I'll find my big scissors. Big carton. Ta-da! Oh, ta-da! Ta-da! My airfryer, guys. My airfryer, guys. Airfryer means to make chips, means to make chicken, steaks. Air fryer. I don't need to unbox this. You guys do this. You see it when I display it in the kitchen. So guys, when I unbox this, I'll keep it in the kitchen and you guys are going to see it. For now, ciao ciao. Bye guys. Of my air fryer and my hoover bags. This is my hoover over there and this is my hoover bag. Unboxing of these 3 items. It's the end of Christmas. Taking down our Christmas tree. Actually guys, this is January 15th. So Daniela is happy to take down all the Christmas decoration one after the other, and Mama will take off the tree. The tree lasted a long time. What I will be doing now is that I will be putting my Christmas tree up on the 1st of December. So we didn't put this tree up on time at all because we moved into this house mid-December. So our Christmas tree came, I think even Christmas Eve. That's when I started putting it up so that the house we have a Christmas tree. If you watch my old vlog, you will see then we didn't have curtain, nothing. I said, okay, let me just put Christmas tree so that this girl will be happy. Look at some here. You don't have to take your hands too far. Yeah. Look at them. Oh. Look at some here. Look at some down here. Are you stretching your hands to this tree? Is a tall tree, 7 inch.
I know.
That is all the way almost. Look at us here. Christmas tree. See you next year by the special grace of God Almighty. Bye, Christmas tree. What did someone put in our forehead? Bye. This is the new year, 2023. Bye. So let's do that, guys. I've done loads of things. I finished fixing the hairy hoover. I've even hoovered the whole house. Hoovered the bedroom. I've not been able to hoover since. Just been sweeping it with broom and it's rugged. I've hoovered there. I've hoovered, it's for 2 hard floor and carpets. I've done everything and yeah, the air fryer, I've removed it. It's there. I don't want to do anything. We bought food when we're coming back from school. So today is loads of work. I'm taking off the Christmas tree, as you can see. And guys, I have this for you because I'm kind of a bit free self now to talk. So see you guys later when the tree goes into the box and goes to the storage. Ciao. Hello guys, welcome back. I'm making my hair. I'm tired of wearing wig, so making something different. Check it out. Check it out, guys. And my hair is so, tangled. So I'll show you guys the finished products later. Wow. Boy, see you later. I love it. Hair continua. Hair is continuation of hair. Oh dear, nice. I've had this for a very, very long time. It's extensions. And I wanted to throw this thing away. When I was packing, I'm like, this thing, I don't like the color. Why is it going to be? Why am I carrying it? So, I don't even know it's there. So, no, one day I'll just use it. So today is the nice. Oh my god, we just finished with the hair. I'm so tired. I said let me show it to you guys now, but maybe tomorrow I'll show you again. And this is it. Finish, very beautiful and nice. At least I'll not be combing hair every day, wearing wig, changing every day. You know what I mean? With Nigerians. And also they made Daniela's hair. She want me to show her hair. This is her hair. Just simple. The way my daughter like it. Beautiful. Beautiful. The way my daughter like it. So this bit is nice. I like it. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. You take care. I'm watching my old video also, by the way. Can hear my voice by the background. It's my video. So let me just watch it because I've not watched that video since I posted it. Please guys, give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and be a member of this family and join us in our journey. I know I'm going to love this hair. It's just the first day. I know I'm going to love it. I'm going to love it. All right guys, bye and see you in the next one. Bye.